정도 맞나? 잘 찍히나?
Hello to my daily vlog, Faiz food and study journal.
Of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact, no slack. But luckily the seats go back. I got a knack to relax in my mind, sipping some red wine.
Hello everyone, it has been a while. How are you all doing? I'm doing well. Sorry for not posting any videos since last month. Do you want to know why? I got sick last month, but I'm doing better now. Don't worry. I'm having allergy reaction when I was eating crabs. I never know I have an allergy to crabs. It's my second time eating a crab while doing my food journaling. Yeah, I think I'll never eat crabs again in my entire life. So sad. Anyway, since I'm doing this video and in conjunction with International Science Month, I will try to educate you guys about food allergy and immune system. Stay tuned. The onset of food allergy symptoms usually occurs immediately after consumption and could be mild to severe and sometimes even life-threatening. It's a relief that I only have mild symptoms. I feel tingling in my mouth. My tongue, lips, and throat swell up. Some people sneeze like crazy. Others get water or itchy eyes. In the worst case, people might have anaphylaxis and will need medical help right away. It's a severe allergic reaction. This can cause life-threatening signs and symptoms, including constriction and tightening of the airways, a swollen throat, or the sensation of a lump in the throat that makes it difficult to breathe. So today, I'm on my way to meet a doctor to do some checkup on my allergic reaction. It's just a short appointment. Doctor, can you explain to me about food allergy?
Sure, Faiz. A food allergy is an adverse health effect arising from a specific immune response that occurs reproducibly on exposure to a given food. What your immune system is reacting to antigen, the molecule of harmless substances. In the context of allergies, antigens are called allergens, although they are functionally the same. A short piece of protein, say from crab meat, that can be recognized by your adaptive immune cell, an antibody that causes allergy is an allergen. Food allergens are the part of food or ingredient within food that are recognized by immune cells. When your immune cell binds to a food allergen, a reaction occurs that causes the symptom of food allergy. Most food allergens cause reaction even after they have been cooked or digested. Some allergens, most often from food and vegetable, cause allergic reaction only when eaten raw. Food oil such as soy, corn, and peanut may or may not be causing allergy depending how they are processed. Allergy and allergic disease refer to conditions that involve changes to your immune system. This immune system change fall into two categories. The first one is IgE mediated, which is the symptom are the result of interaction between the allergen and a type of antibody known as IgE, which is thought to play a major role in allergic reaction. The second one is non-IgE mediated. The symptoms are the result of interaction of the allergen with the immune system, but the interaction doesn't involve an IgE antibody. If you are sensitized to a food allergen, it means that your body has made a specific IgE antibody to that food allergen, but you may or may not have symptoms of food allergy. If you can consistently tolerate a food that once caused you to have an allergic reaction, you have outgrown a food allergy. However, food intolerance are adverse health effects caused by food. They don't involve the immune system. For example, if you are lactose intolerant, you are missing the enzyme that breaks down the lactose, a sugar found in milk.
Oh hi, AIMI. Come here, come here. I would like to explain to you about IgE antibodies. What IgE antibodies actually do when you suffer from an allergic reaction. Allergy is hypersensitivity type 1 because it involves antibody IgE. Hypersensitivity always happens in two steps. First, you need to encounter your new mortal enemy, and then you have to meet them again. Say, for example, you eat a meal like crabs or peanuts. The first time, all is good. The allergen floods your system, and for some reason, these cells, they are able to bind to them if their receptors are activated. They begin making IgE antibodies against the allergen, like for example, crab meat proteins. But for now, things are dull. Nothing happens. You can imagine this step as arming the bomb. Now, after the exposure to the crab meat, a lot of IgE antibodies they are able to attach to the crab meat allergen are in your system. But IgE antibodies by themselves would not be problematic as they are not particularly long-lived and dissolve after a few days. They need help to become a problem from a special cell in your skin, lungs, and intestine that is especially receptive to IgE antibodies, the mast cell. Mast cells have receptors that connect and attach to the Fc fragment of IgE antibodies. So, if IgE is produced after your first exposure to an allergen, mast cells swoop them up. So, you can imagine a charged and armed mast cells as a big magnet, covered with thousands of tiny spikes. When allergens pass by, the IgE antibodies on mast cell can extremely easily connect to them. To make matters worse, IgE on mast cell is stable for weeks or even months. The connection protects them from decay. So, after your initial exposure to an allergen, you have these bombs in your skin, your lungs, or your gut, ready to get activated very quickly. Time passes and nothing happens, until you finally eat a bunch of crab meat again and flood your system with the allergen, enabling the mast cells covered in IgE to connect to it. Now the armed allergy bomb goes off inside your body. Your armed mast cells undergo degranulation, which is a nice way of saying that they vomit all of the chemicals that are inflammatory supercharges, especially histamine. This causes virtually all of the very unpleasant things that you experience during an allergic reaction. It tells the blood vessels to contract and let fluid stream into the tissue, causing redness, heat, and swelling, and a general feeling of unwellness. But most dangerously, histamine can cause the smooth muscle in your lung to contract and make breathing hard or even impossible. The worst case can be anaphylactic shock, which can kill within a few minutes.
Oh yeah, Faiz. I also have read somewhere that said basophil and eosinophil also involved in allergic reaction. Once mast cell activate and degranulate, they also release cytokines that call for allergy reinforcement by another special cell. The basophil have receptor for IgE that they charge up after the initial exposure to antigen. Basophil serve as a sort of second wave of horribleness. They are probably really proud of themselves too, thinking that they are doing important work. Innocently, setting the body on fire while you are scratching your skin or emptying your inflamed bowels. These cells are responsible for the immediate hypersensitivity.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. See you guys again next time. Bye.